Welcome, it's time to do it on. Today, we're going to be unboxing this 256 gigabyte lavender iPhone 17. So in the box, you have the iPhone 17 itself, the top, of course, the charger, and the pamphlets. So we are going to be using this glass screen protector because it's a brand new iPhone, and of course you're going to want to protect it.
Another quick note that I wanted to pass along is we've been iPhone users for years, and they've always provided the charger cable. However, it was like a slick material. Now they're including nicer, upgraded, braided. Although you don't get a brick anymore, if you're old enough like me and you remember you used to get a brick from Apple, but at least they're giving you a better product.
This comes with a couple of screen protectors, 3 camera lens covers, and these like microfiber cloths. Because it's really nice that they include one of those and not just the wipes.
Now, putting on screen protectors is typically a job that Son and I defer to Mama for because she's a little more delicate, and since these are tempered glass, it hopefully ensures that there's no cracks or faults when we install them. We actually got multiple iPhone 17s, so be sure to check out the other videos to see the other colors, but this kit came with 3, so it worked out perfect. Now, the install came with some cleaning wipes and then a dust wipe. We cleaned off the lens as well for the camera because it came with camera protectors, but you want to make sure it's as dust free as possible, so get that as clean as you can, otherwise you'll end up with bubbles under the glass. Now, these templates and guides that they come with are actually extremely helpful because they help you line up the screen protectors so that way you don't have a misalignment and end up messing up and wasting one of your glass screen protectors. And when we need 3, this helped a ton. So make sure your kit comes with one of these because we highly advise it.
So right now we're unpeeling it, and there was some bubbles, but we figured out on one of the other iPhones, which check out our channel for the rest of the iPhone videos, that if you just kind of like put it on there and don't press it at all, it comes out really nice. This pack also came with a camera cover, which is really nice. I have one on my phone, Dad does, and every phone that we have does have one, and it's really useful and handy.
So the lilac iPhone 17 is actually Mama's iPhone, and she really wanted to show off that color because it's one of her favorite colors. So we got her a clear case, and with this case, it was actually packaged extremely well. But bonus, it actually came with 2 additional screen protectors, which I didn't know happened. So if something happens to these screen protectors we have, we got extras.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And this is the unboxing of the iPhone 17.